Meet Loona, a robot pet that feels surprisingly alive. She can recognize faces, follow you around the room, respond to voice commands, and even react to hand gestures. Loona can play games, avoid obstacles, and show different emotions through her animated eyes and body movements. She can also act as a mobile home camera, letting you check on your pets or family when you are away. Unlike a regular toy, Loona learns how you interact with her and develops more personalized reactions over time. It is like having a playful robot dog that never needs food, walks, or cleaning. Next is the Sillbird Robot Building Kit, a programmable 5-in-1 set made from 488 pieces. Instead of building just one model, you can transform it into a robot, dinosaur, car, tank, and other designs with different difficulty levels. Once assembled, it can be controlled using the included remote or a smartphone app through Bluetooth. The app also allows basic programming, custom movement paths, and precise control. Its movable head, arms, and tail make every model feel more interactive, while the rechargeable battery provides up to 40 minutes of play. It is a fun way to combine building, creativity, and beginner-level robotics in one kit. Next is EMO Go Home, a small desktop robot with a surprisingly big personality. It can recognize faces, respond to voice commands, react to touch, dance to music, and display hundreds of different expressions on its animated face. EMO can move around your desk on its own, avoid falling from the edge, play games, answer questions, and even provide useful information like the weather or time. When its battery gets low, it can locate its charging station and return home by itself. It feels less like a regular gadget and more like a tiny robotic companion living on your desk. Next is the Enabot EBO Air 2S, a small mobile robot designed to keep an eye on your home, pets, or family while you are away. It can move around different rooms, stream live video, take photos, and let you communicate through two-way audio using the mobile app. Its built-in camera and night vision make it useful even in low light, while obstacle detection helps it navigate around furniture. You can control it manually or send it on automatic patrols, and when the battery runs low, it returns to its charging station by itself. It is part pet camera, part security robot, and part remote companion. Next is the SenseRobot AI Chess Robot, an electronic chessboard with a real robotic arm that physically picks up and moves the pieces. It offers 25 AI difficulty levels, making it suitable for complete beginners, experienced players, and anyone looking for a serious challenge. The system includes more than 1,200 exercises, endgame training, hints, undos, and classic game replays to help improve your skills step by step. Voice coaching provides guidance during play, while the companion app adds progress tracking, PGN export, multiple profiles, and Lichess integration. Unlike a regular chess app, every move happens on a real board, making each game feel far more immersive. If you enjoy discovering robots like this, leave a like, tell us in the comments which one is your favorite, and subscribe for more. You can find links to every robot featured in this video in the description below. Next is AIBI Pocket Pet, a tiny AI companion designed to go almost anywhere with you. It can sit on your desk, attached to a computer screen, or fit inside your pocket. Its built-in camera allows it to recognize your face and remember who you are, making each interaction feel more personal over time. You can talk to AIBI, ask questions, request jokes, check the weather, or get help through ChatGPT. It can also learn your communication style, and when two AIBI robots are placed close together, they can even interact with each other using near-field communication. Despite its small size, AIBI feels like a smart digital pet you can carry wherever you go. Next is the LOOI Robot, a smart desktop companion that turns your smartphone into the face and brain of a moving robot. Once your phone is attached, LOOI can recognize faces, track your movement, respond to voice commands, and display expressive animated reactions on the screen. It can follow you around the desk, play games, dance, answer questions, and interact through AI-powered conversations. The robot also reacts to gestures and touch, making it feel much more alive than a regular phone stand. When you are not using it as a companion, LOOI can also hold and wirelessly charge your smartphone, combining entertainment, AI, and everyday usefulness in one device. Next is the YONBO AI Robot, an interactive companion designed to make learning feel more like play. It can recognize voices, movements, and different situations, then respond with more than 100 facial expressions, sounds, and body movements. YONBO can sing, tell stories, create imaginary adventures, answer questions, and even help with homework using ChatGPT-powered AI. Its personality and behavior can also be customized through the app, allowing parents to shape how it interacts with their child. The app provides remote control, monitoring, and safety alerts, while the robot itself offers up to 3.5 hours of use after a 1-hour charge. It is part educational tool, part emotional companion, and part smart AI assistant. Next is Eilik, a small desktop robot designed to behave like an emotional little companion. It reacts to touch, movement, sound, and the way you interact with it, showing different moods through animated expressions and body movements. Eilik can laugh, dance, play mini-games, and even become upset if you tease it too much. Place 2 or more Eilik robots together, and they can recognize each other, communicate, play, and sometimes even argue. It does not need complicated setup or coding, making it easy to place on a desk and start interacting with right away. Eilik feels less like a regular gadget and more like a tiny digital character with its own personality. Finally, this is the LewanSoul 6DOF Robotic Arm, a programmable desktop robot built to perform precise, controlled movements. Its 6-axis design allows the arm to rotate, bend, lift, and position objects from multiple angles, while the claw can grab and move small items. You can control it manually or program complete movement sequences for tasks like sorting, stacking, and repeated pick-and-place actions. It is also compatible with popular development platforms, making it useful for learning coding, robotics, and automation. Unlike the companion robots in this video, this one feels more like a miniature industrial machine you can keep on your desk. Remember to like the video, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which robot you would actually buy. Links to all 10 robots are available in the description below.